Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about all things Family Dollar. We're going to go over some good deals, some glitches, coupon matchups, plus stick around until the end because I do have some 5 off $25 scenarios to share with you all as well. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I just want to go ahead and remind everybody, since I'm doing things a little bit out of order this week, typically, I post Family Dollar first and then Dollar General. However, I did it a little backwards this week. I uploaded the DG video first, and now you guys are watching the Family Dollar video. So if you missed out on the Dollar General video, it's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right in with some coupon matchups. Now, I'm not going to talk you guys through each and every coupon matchup. I'm just going to kind of let them scroll across your screen here. But I do want y'all to keep in mind, we do have some that are expiring this Saturday, but a lot of these don't expire for a week or 2 weeks. So definitely make sure that you guys are signing in on Sunday to clip those coupons to your accounts, just like we do with Dollar General. Now, in this video, you guys are going to see over 60 coupon matchups. I'm not quite sure how many there are, but I stopped counting at 60. I figured that was good enough. So that's another reason why I'm not going to go through each and every coupon matchup with you all. So I'm just going to let these slides scroll across your screen here. Each matchup will be on the screen for just a few seconds. I'll turn on a little background music, and I'll be back with you all in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so I am back, and I hope that you guys enjoyed all of those coupon matchups. Hopefully it'll make it a little bit easier for you all once you get into the store on Saturday. Maybe you need a substitution for an item if they're out of stock, or maybe you don't have that coupon on your account anymore. Hopefully those slides, if you're taking screenshots or notes, hopefully that'll make it a little bit easier. But anyways, if you guys missed out on yesterday's video, we do have a run deal at Family Dollar. I went ahead and did the deal twice yesterday, but I do plan on going back this weekend and doing that same exact deal again at a different location. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. And again, that's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, now let's go ahead and jump right into our 5 off $25 scenario. So for this first one, you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Rolls at $5.95, one of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.45, one of the Febreze Holiday Scented Air Effects at $2.25, two of the L'Oreal Paris Elvive shampoos and conditioners at $4 each, two of the Suave Cocoa Butter Body Wash at $1 each, one of the Suave Men's Extra Fresh Deodorants at $1, one of the Icy Hot 1-count patches at $1.90, and two of the Colgate Max Fresh Advanced Whitening at $1.50 each. And that's going to put your subtotal at $28.55. And let's take a quick look at the list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Angel Soft, the 1 off 1 Gain, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze Air Effects. That's going to take off $2.25. The 4 off 2 L'Oreal Paris Hair Care, the 1 off 2 Suave products, the 50-cent off 1 Suave deodorant, the 50-cent off 1 Icy Hot, and the 3 off 2 Colgate. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $10.30 for 11 items, making each one just 93 cents each. All right, now for our next scenario, you want to pick up one of the Homeline foam plates 110 count at $4, one of the Finish Power 12 count dishwasher tablets at $3.35, one of the Homeline disinfecting wipes 35 count at $2.55, one of the Glade air freshener sprays at $2.25, one of the Febreze holiday scented sprays at $2.25, one of the Febreze warmers at $3.50, two of the Colgate Max Fresh Advanced Whitening at $1.50 each, one of the Suave Men's Extra Fresh Deodorant at $1, two of the Suave Cocoa Butter Body Washes at $1 each, and one of the Icy Hot 1-count patches at $1.90. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.80. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 50-cent off 1 Homeline plates, the 150 off 1 Finish, the 1 off 1 Homeline disinfecting wipes, the 1 off 1 Glade air freshener, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze warmer, the 3 off 2 Colgate, the 50-cent off 1 Suave deodorant, the 1 off 2 Suave products, and the 50-cent off 1 Icy Hot. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $7.25 for 12 items, making each one just 60 cents each. But then this still gets even better because you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get 75 cents back on the Finish Power dishwasher tablets, and that's going to make your final price $6.50 for all 12 items, making each one just 54 cents each. All right, and last but not least, here's our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up two of the Febreze Holiday Scented Air Effects at $2.25, one of the Febreze warmers at $3.50, one of the Glade air fresheners at $2.25, one of the Airwick warmers at $2.25, two of the Colgate Max White toothpaste at $1.50 each, two of the Suave Cocoa Butter Body Wash at $1 each, one of the Suave Men's Extra Fresh Deodorants at $1, one of the Icy Hot 1-count patches at $1.90, one of the Tylenol 12 count at $3.50, and two of the Kellogg's Pop-Tarts at $2.45 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.55. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze warmer, the 1 off 1 Glade air freshener, $1.75 off 1 Airwick product, 3 off 2 Colgate, the 1 off 2 Suave, 50 cent off 1 Suave deodorant, 50 cent off 1 Icy Hot, 2 off 1 Tylenol, and the 3 off 2 Kellogg's. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $4.25 for 13 items, making each one just 32 cents each. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but my little buddy Nacho here wanted me to remind you guys that if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you go. Make sure that you turn on your notifications, that way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button and leave a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.